Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Here we discuss about the profit maximization for Cloud Broker in cloud computing. Next we discuss about the domain introduction. Cloud computing provides a fast and efficient way share data resources and a mountain number of people access data through network. Next we discuss about the abstract introduction in data stream limitation on available memory and processing time, which leads to array time changes. It's important to schedule the task in order to avoid collision and delay time between them. There is many existing algorithm used for task scheduling like remote cloud, but which leads to delay when scheduling. Propose a new mobile cloud-led assisted service model named profit maximization for cloud brokers in cloud computing, which arrives flexible cost delay trade-off between conventional remote cloud service mode and mobile cloud-led service mode. The request for virtualized resource is described through a set of parameters detailing the processing memory and disk. For attaining better resource allocation with load balancing strategy, we use VM placement. This can be achieved by allocating the incoming task to a virtual machine, which means two condition: number of tasks currently processing by this VM is less than number of tasks currently processing by other VM, and the deviation of this VM processing time from average processing time of all VM is less than a value. From using our proposal system, which distribute workload of multiple networks links in the way that avoid underutilization and overutilization of the resources. Simulation results show our proposed system provide better energy cost optimized cloud storage compared than other systems and increase the profit. Next we discuss about the flow diagram. In this module we have to load the data with the healthcare dataset. The dataset will be collected from UCI machine learning expository for Kaggle repository. The healthcare dataset contains the details about their patient with their diabetics details. We can give .text file or CSV format with any type of data. Next we discuss about the initialization process. Data center is a set of hosts or e-servers which provide infrastructure service. Data center configuration can be heterogeneous or homogeneous. Resource host, it's the physical entity that is resource to task. Job is the task. Service broker decide which VM will be provided service to the request, and then VM allocation. The policies are in cloud SIM model, the allocation of resource to task. Then next we discuss about the load identification. Load balancing between the virtual machine is done by cloud simulator. We have to analyze which virtual machine have highest specific space for resource. For achieving load balancing, we assign job to virtual machine. They initialize all RAM size, broker ID and the host ID for the particular virtual machine. Next, task scheduling. We allocate job by using VM placement by using optimal resource provisioning. The key idea is to submit the task to the virtual machine till the machines get overloaded. Example, load on the virtual machine become more than threshold value. The number of tasks currently processing by this VM is less than number of tasks currently processing by other VM, and the deviation of this processing time from average processing time of all VM is less than value. Next discuss about the evaluation. Finally we have to analyze the workload of the job, which is the job. We also analyze the following bar chart: exam, workload and flow, energy, cost and profit. So next process is running process. Browse the data, choose the data set, view the content and load the data. Click the pre-processing. Pre-processing unwanted data is to be removed. Pre-processing step is to be displayed. Next process is view. Then split the data. Data center creation. And then data broker creation. and then virtual machine creation, and then number of cloud is to be displayed. Load balance is to be displayed, and then next demand computation is to be displayed. Computer demand and resource optimization is to be displayed, and then next scheduling is displayed. Analyze the process, show the graph, and then cost, reduce profit, and then propose the system exit system execution time is to be displayed. That's all.